The overall goal of this experiment is to extract endosymbionts from tiny insects for further experiments.
This method can help answer key questions in the entomology and microbiology field because most endosymbionts cannot be cultured in vitro. Methods to isolate adequate quantities of bacteria for further experiments are very important. The main advantage of this technique is that we can conveniently isolate whitefly bacterial endosymbionts. It can also be applied to the isolation of endosymbionts from other insects such as aphids, plant hoppers, and thrips.
To begin, collect an individual adult whitefly and homogenize it in 30 microliters of lysis buffer. Incubate the homogenate at 65 degrees Celsius for 1 hour, then 100 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Using whitefly DNA and mitochondrial cytochrome oxidase 1 primers, prepare 25 microliter PCR reactions using the following reagents. Then, run the PCR reactions using the program shown here. Next, use a DNA gel extraction kit following the recommended protocol to clean the PCR product. Then, perform sequence analysis according to the text protocol. To amplify specific genes of each endosymbiont within the whitefly, carry out PCR on whitefly DNA. According to a previously published protocol, subject the amplified sample to agarose gel electrophoresis and sequence.